Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create split screen effect on CapCut PC. Okay, first of all, I'm going to add this video to my timeline, and then I'm going to add the second video, guys. And then I'm going to make it align with my first video, so I'm going to cut it, and then we're going to go to the video menu and then select mask and click on add mask, and then I recommend you to choose the split mask. Okay, and then I'm going to split it like this and adjust the feather. Okay, and it will create something like this. Okay, this is for the final result, guys. And as you can see that it create like split screen effect, right? Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.